Hello, this is Cheatmaster100. I am today showing you this mob grinder I just, almost finished. I've been doing stuff lately, so I haven't been able to get to it. This is a video by, I believe his name is Luclin, and he actually showed a really tall building of it, or model of it. I'm only doing a small version. It's only one floor. Let's see if I can apply some light. And the ceiling's a little short. But I've made a recent video, or a while ago, same thing, but I haven't been on for a while, so I am still using my iPod. I have Minicam, and I am going to get a recording sound device. But other than that, right now I am not using a device like that. I'm just using my iPod. So if you just bear with me, I'm mostly making this video for Luclin. Thank you for this wonderful mob grinder. If it turns night at all, it does work. Tell people. If you don't believe me, you'll watch and watch, and you'll figure it out. But I've been watching Luclin's videos for a long time. He probably doesn't even know I exist. So Luclin, I am here watching your videos. But like I said, I'm not done. I still have to get this cobblestone filled in. Other than that, it's turning night soon, so you'll see soon that it does work. So Luclin, if you ever, I'm not sure if you, yes I am, if you, you can't see it, but I do have a cracked version. That's not my fault. My friend gave it to me, or downloaded it to my my computer. I did originally have a regular, I bought it, but for some reason my computer crashed, so I had to get a new computer, and I didn't want to spend money on it again. My friend installed it for me. But I'm about to say, I'm not sure if you are interested in me helping out in some of your videos or anything. I'm not very good at them, of course, but I still really need to work on getting good at them. So if you want me in any of your fun adventures, just send me a message, but it has to be a cracked version, a cracked server. I used to be able to make one, but not anymore. But yeah, just tell me, I guess. So I'm going to actually go. Oh, there's a spider outside. How am I gonna get through there without dying? Let's see, peaceful. Okay, I'm gonna get out of there. Switch it back to hard. Crap, there's spiders already out. Back to peaceful again, because I don't want to die right away. I'm not sure if you've heard of King Agnostic, Luclin, but he's the one that provided my friend the information to make provided me to make the crack server, but provided him to get this this Minecraft without buying it. This is my other crappy invention spawn thing. It didn't really work very well. It was with grass and animals, but it didn't work. See? Doesn't work. Yeah, so first when I started this game, it was kind of surprising that I spawned like right near a big lava pool, so I put glass over the lava for light. Yeah, pretty nice. I haven't cheated yet in this game, so I can't because I don't got it modded. Got lava in each one of these holes. I got my bathroom, you know, with a peephole. But so, I will go downstairs. I think this is about enough time to see if they have spawned it all over there. So, turn it back to peaceful mode, because all the stuff will stay there. You can't see it now, but I'll show you in a bit. That's the place. I didn't do that ground zero thing like I saw in your video, but because I don't get those concepts. It's just a waste of time, I think. But yeah, I haven't been playing for a while, so if you see any of my other videos, they suck. Oh wow, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? It worked the last time. Well, I might have to figure this crap out. Oh, not that way. Oh, not that way. There we go. Need light. Okay, so why did it not work? It worked a little while ago when I came back, but is that why? I don't think so. One button there. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it worked a while ago. Because I came here and there was stuff there. Yeah, my options are on hard right now. What's a zombie? Well then, my plans turned out bad. I'm sorry, Luclin. Maybe, you can help me out. I don't know what happened. I got all this sulfur from it, or the gunpowder from gunpowder in the string and the feathers. I'm not sure what happened. It was working. Well then, video by CheapMaster100. Please like or subscribe. Like I said, I'm a beginner at making videos. I'm still trying to earn money enough to get myself a recording system with a mic. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.